Never have to seal your granite ever again. Granite Shield restores old granite to look better than it ever did and permanently seals granite, making it smoother, shinier, and maintenance-free. Call 877-477-3254 to schedule your appointment.
Before Granite Shield. Before Granite Shield.
On black granite countertops, traditional sealers leave a plastic residue on top of the counter, leaving it dull and lifeless. This is what it looks like when you remove it from the granite. Only Granite Shield can penetrate black granite and seal it from the inside out, making it easier to clean, less maintenance, and no fingerprints. So it's a lot easier to clean up and take care of.
The first step of Granite Shield. After the first step of Granite Shield. The final results with Granite Shield on black granite, Black Galaxy. This is brand new granite, just recently installed. The sealer that was removed with the razor blade is a standard sealer.